In front of me is Fairphone 5 and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Then use this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner and click on all of your photos you wish to add. If you can't find them here, select Gallery, click on the chosen ones and tap Add at the top right corner. If you still can't find them, select Gallery, hit Folders, tap on Images at the top and click on the photo you wish to add. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!